Hello WitBlox makers! In this video, we will build a cool AI cat feeder that detects when a cat is hungry and feeds it automatically. When a cat is detected, the servo works. This causes the food to fall on the plate. When the cat goes away, the servo stops working. Now, let's see how the logic works. To make this, we need an AI Cam Blox and a servo light blocks. AI Cam Blox is a special control blocks with a camera. It is capable of doing complex AI vision based projects. In this project, AI Cam is trained to differentiate between a cat and an empty background. Once the training is done, it controls the opening of the servo based mechanism. In this mechanism, the servo light blocks controls the servo motor. The servo stays in its resting position until a cat is detected. When the cat appears, the servo swings between set angles, activating the mechanism that releases pet food from the container. Now, let's build the structure. First, take 4 3-hole elbows and join them together to make a circular structure as shown. Make 3 such circular structures. Next, take 2 1-hole elbows and 2 5-hole beams and join them together as shown. Make 2 such structures. Now take one of the circular structures and attach them as shown. This will be our base. Next, take 3 5-hole beams, 4 1-hole beams, 2 1-hole elbows and 1 mm coupler. Join them together as shown. Make 2 such structures. Then take a 5-hole beam, 2 2-hole elbows, 1 1-hole elbow and 2 mm couplers. Join them together as shown. Make 2 such structures. Now take a 5-hole beam, 2 2-hole elbows, 2 1-hole elbows and 1 mm coupler. Join them together as shown. Make 2 such structures as well. Now attach this structure to the previous structure as shown. Then attach another structure to it in the same way. Using the remaining parts, make another structure just like this one. Then attach all these parts together. Next, take 2 1-hole elbows, 2 1-hole beams and 1 mm coupler and join them together as shown. Then take a 3-hole elbow, a 1-hole elbow, a BO shaft and a 60-degree axle and join them together as shown. Now take a servo and a servo shaft and join them together as shown. Now take all these three parts and connect them together as shown. This will be our dispenser mechanism. Attach this dispenser mechanism to our main structure as shown. Next, take 4 3-hole elbows and 5 mm couplers and join them together as shown. Attach this structure to a half-cut bottle. Then attach the bottle to our main structure. Now take a 5-hole beam, a 1-hole beam, an mm coupler, 2 3-hole elbows, 2 blocks holders and 4 1-hole elbows. Join them together as shown. Attach this structure to our main structure. Now take the AI Cam Vision blocks and the servo light blocks and attach them to the structure. Next, take a battery and a battery holder, attach them together, and then connect them to the structure and the AI Cam Vision blocks as shown. Finally, connect the wire of the servo to the servo light blocks as shown. Our structure is ready. Now let's learn how to connect the AI Cam Blox to your phone. You can also connect it to a laptop, and the steps are almost exactly the same. Here are the steps to connect AI Cam Blox to your phone. Step 1. Download the WitBlox AI Vision app from the Play Store. Step 2. Time to power up the AI Cam Blox. For that, you can use a 9-volt alkaline battery, a USB to Type-C charger or a power bank. We suggest using a charger or power bank to reduce battery cost. Step 3. Push the switch on the AI Cam to turn it on. Step 4. Now open the AI Cam app. Step 5. Connect to WitBlox AI Vision Wi-Fi. Step 6. The device is found. Now click Configure. It shows all nearby Wi-Fi networks. Click on your Wi-Fi and put the password. Then click Connect. Step 7. Our AI Cam is now connected. If not yet connected, check your entered password and restart the connection process. Also, don't miss connecting your phone on the same Wi-Fi network as the blocks. This ensures AI Cam and phone talk properly to each other. Step 8. Now let's enter the IP address as shown on the AI Cam. This helps your phone to communicate with the blocks. Step 9. We are all set. Close and restart the app. Our AI Cam is now connected. We can also see that the camera feed is now visible. Now, connect the AI Cam Blox to the servo light blocks on port 1. Servo light blocks makes controlling servo motors simple and precise. It can move the servo to specific angles using commands from the AI Cam. However, servo light works only when connected to coding blocks such as AI Cam or WitPro. To train the AI blocks to detect our cat, we will use flow mode. In this project, we need to train the AI Cam on two different types of images, cat and background. In each class, we will train at least 30 times for accurate detection. Now, we need to make the flowchart logic for the outputs to work. First, we will create the flowchart for the condition when a cat is detected. On detection of the cat, we want the servo mechanism to dispense food for some time and then turn off. To create this, drag out a line from the start block and from the option choose an if condition. Within, if we select cat. And from the true line, we add a servo block, set the port to port 1 and the mode to swing mode. Set the angle limit from 1 to 30. You can tweak it as required, then add a delay. Set the delay to 10,000 milliseconds. Next, drag another line from the start block and add another if condition. In this one, select background. Now, attach a port command. This time, set the port 1 to off. Our logic is ready. Just start the logic and let cat feed.